Welcome back to another video of RW Outdoors. Recently I acquired this old pair of Rowboat Oars. They're a little beat up and could use some restoration. In this video today I will be restoring these, including fixing some cracks with some wood glue, sanding the surface, and repainting them. On the ends of both the oars you can tell it started to get chipped and rotten a little bit. I think I'll cut the ends off these oars about an inch or so that way it's nice flat edge again. Now on this one oar, but there is a pretty good sized crack in it. The first thing I want to do is clean this inside surface up so I can get a good joint when I seal it back together. You can see here's the crack. I'm going to be taking this piece of 150 grit sandpaper and folding it in half. Get this in there and work it back and forth. I'm going to go ahead and apply some wood glue in the seam. You're taking this piece of paper to work it in. Now where the fun and magic comes in, I'm going to take this hose clamp that's big enough to go around the oar. And make sure you unscrew it so it's open like that, and then you can get it around just like so, and then start threading it in. Then place this about in between of where your cracks are. Now it should start to feather it in. As you can see there. Now I'll go ahead and wipe off the excess glue, let this dry. Now I'll be removing the metal piece that attaches the oars to the boat. Remove the cotter pin. Hammer the rod down. Now I will go ahead and cross cut the bad parts of the oars. Now I'll use a belt sander to round the corners. Well, I got the corners rounded off on this one. Now I think I'll go ahead and try to sand this a little bit more on the belt sander toward the flatter parts, and I'll just use regular sandpaper on the roundish parts. Well, it's been a few days now. I will remove this hose clamp. The glue should be nice and dry now, and I'll start sanding this one. Looks good. Well, both oars are sanded to my preference. Now I'm going to go down and wipe them with this clean rag to get some of the extra dust off. Well, both the oars are clean. Now it's shaker can time. I have some of this Rust-Oleum Espresso Brown. And I'm going to be coating these up a few times and seeing how they turn out. Alright, I have the oars all painted up, now to reinstall the brackets. Well, I got these brackets back on. I think that'll conclude today's video. I really enjoy doing small projects like these. I really like to see the outcome. And if you guys like watching videos like these, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.